Hi, I'm Chelsea, and today I'm going to show you how we can use the derivatives of sine and cosine to find the derivative of the tangent of x. So to begin, first let's define what the derivative of the sine function is. So d dx of sine of x is equal to cosine of x, and the derivative of cosine of x is equal to the negative sine of x. Okay, so what we're interested in finding is the derivative of the tangent of x. Okay, now in order to use this, we're going to invoke a trig identity. So if you recall, tangent of x can be written as sine of x over cosine of x. Now that we have that, notice that we actually have a quotient of two functions that we already know their derivatives. So let's use the quotient rule in order to find the derivative of tangent of x. The quotient rule says, take the bottom function, cosine of x, multiply that by the derivative of the top function, subtract from that term the top function multiplied by the derivative of the bottom function, and over that entire difference we're going to put the bottom function squared. Okay? So we have cosine of x. The derivative, again, of sine of x, as I've listed up here, is cosine of x. Minus sine of x times the derivative of cosine of x, which is negative sine of x. And again, we're not going to forget the denominator. Cosine of x, that function squared. So cosine of x times cosine of x is cosine squared of x. A minus sine of x times a minus sine of x makes that positive, and we have a sine of x squared, and again all over cosine of x, the quantity squared. We're going to use yet another trig identity. If you recall, you look at the numerator, okay, there's a trig identity that says the cosine squared of x plus the sine squared of x is equal to 1. So simplifying even further, we get 1 over cosine squared of x. Okay. Rewrite this again. We'll have 1 over cosine of x, that quantity squared, and 1 over cosine of x is secant of x. So our final answer is secant squared of x. And this is something you would possibly see in a list of the derivatives of trig functions, where the derivative of tangent of x is secant squared of x. And that's it. For more information, please visit our website at www.sandersontestprep.com. The link is in the description below. Thank you.